In Project View, click the remote I/O device you wish to add modules to, and change to the Device View by clicking the Device View tab. Open the hardware catalog by clicking the tab. In this example, we will first add a digital input module. Start by expanding the DI selection. And locate the part number corresponding to the hardware you wish to add. Click and hold the part number to drag the part from the hardware catalog and drop it into the correct slot of the remote I/O device. Now select the Properties tab in the Configuration menu. Locate and click I/O addresses in the menu tree. The start and end addresses are displayed. The start address can be changed if desired. For this example, we will add another DI module. And check the addressing for it as well. Now we will add a digital output module to our configuration. And edit the addressing as required. Our next module will be an analog input module. The analog inputs have several configuration options. Click Channel 0 to configure the channel. Expand the Measurement Type Selection menu. And, in this example, we will set the channel for a voltage input. Now we must set the measuring range. Expand the Selection menu and select the desired measurement range, 0 to 10 volts in this example. Now let's add an analog output module. And configure it to output between -5 and +5 volts. When the configuration is complete, compile and download to the PLC.